Hi everyone, it is a quick description of how to make a dashboard using our Shiny dashboard package. I am using the data publicly available loan club data, and the screen we are seeing contains rows and columns. We can have any number of rows in our screen up to our building nose. The column width and the total column width for a row is 12, so it can be split into different column width to have different boxes. In our screen, we have the first row contains two boxes. The one box contains a group of check boxes that is contain all the years and that contains the values of years. All the years are already default as a default selected. The second box contains three value boxes. Those shows the measurement values of the loans. The first value box contains a count of loans. The second box contains the average loan amount, and the third one contains the total amount of the loan amount. And the second row contains only one box, and it has a histogram chart. The histogram chart describes how the loan amount is dispersed through the dispersed for the data set we have selected. It contains one row and the total length of the column is 12, so it has only one box in that particular row. Let us move to the source code, how we are going to create this one. Um, First, we need to load all the library what we need for this analysis. I will load all these libraries. And the next line option is instead of showing the values as 10 to the power something, we have to have the complete value. That is the reason we have given the options. This line is for loading the file into R, and we are assigning the value of this data frame as loan club data. Let us run this code. One minute. We load this data. The data has been loaded and we have assigned the name of the data frame as loan club data. Let us see how many rows and columns in the data frame. Let's see. There are 42,542 rows and 145 columns. We don't need all these columns for our analysis, so better we can reduce the columns what we need. So for which I will come out with another one, the subset code, and we are filtering the data set which contains only 5 columns. Now let us see what is the dimension of area. That is, now we have reduced it from 145 columns to only 5 columns, because only 5 columns we need for our analysis. The next thing is we are going to have the years, the issue year, because we are going to slice the data based on the years. It may be a specific year, a combination of years. We have already seen in the screen that all the 5 years of the data have been selected as default when we open the application. So we need to have the years. The year can be taken from the issue date, but when we see the format of the issue date, we can see that there are some code by which we can convert all the categorical variable into factor, and we also see how the data issue date is available in our data set. This is the code. So when we see this, The data is shown as December 11, December 11 likewise. So it means December 2011, and the months are April, and the April may be this means April 2008, April 2009 likewise. But we need the years as 2007, 2008 likewise. So what we will do is we can use the substring functions to split the month as well as substring function to split the year. But while by splitting the year, we can add 20 in front of that, so that it can be, instead of showing 11, it can show 2011 likewise. So we can execute this code. Now we have got the years as 2007, 2008, 2009, and better I have made one more column, because we have got very restricted numbers of columns. There is no form to have one more column, and after that column is a copy of the issue year. Now the new column is named as issue year 2, because instead of showing it as 2007, 2008, I am converting those values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the convenience of showing it in the dashboard. So we create a copy of this issue year column, and the new column can be converted into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of 2008, 2008, 7 likewise, and the new column can be converted into factor for our dashboard creation. So we can execute this code. Now we have got a column called issue year 2, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as factors that can be used for the years 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, and 2011 respectively. Now we have to move into the UA code. We have already seen the screen. We have got two rows. The first row contains two boxes, and the second row contains only one box. So the UA contains three elements. One is called the header, body, sidebar, and the body. So the UA contains three elements: header, sidebar, body. The header is assigned as Loan Club Analytics as the title. The sidebar, we are not going to have sidebar in our dashboard, so it is disabled there. Then in the body, we are going to have two rows. So the first row is designed like this. The first row contains one box with the two, and it contains a check box group, and the input is 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, and 2011, for which we have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that we have already converted in the issue year 2 the values of 2007 as 1, likewise all the years also. And this is the statement. So as default, we are going to select all the years when the application is open. The next box contains three value box. We have already seen that. The first one is the output for the loan count, and the second one is loan average, and the third one is a loan total. So we have got three value box in the second box of in the second column of the first row. The second row contains only one box. We have already shown that, and it contains the histogram and the plot output, that is loan amount bar. It contains only one histogram that shows the disbursement of the loan amount for the selected data set. So all the elements are put into all the two rows are put into the body, and all the three elements are put together for creating the UA part. Then we can move to the server, where we have to process the data. So we receive the data from this is the input year, by which we can select the years in the group select box. it is a 2007, 2008 likewise. So whatever the years selected, that is assigned with this variable. Using that variable, we can filter the data, the loan club data, and that can be assigned to the new data frame called data. Using this new data frame, we can create the value boxes. Loan. This is output means this value will be sent to the communicated to the UA path. So the loan count is calculated as the count of the loan amount. The average value is calculated as the mean of the loan amount, and the total amount of the loan amount is calculated as sum of the loan amount. Once it is calculated, and that will be supplied to the value box for the selected data. Then we can come to the render plot for the second row. Here we are going to use this code for creating a histogram based on the data we have selected. And one more thing I have to mention is I have selected the loan club data publicly available, as well as I have also used the script publicly available. Thanks for the. I just want to thank all of them who have published their code for this loan club data. Once the plant is created, that can be sent to the front end through this variable, and that will be shown in the dashboard. So this is the code we are using to create the dashboard. Let us again run this one. Let us wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then the screen will be shown. Yeah, this is the dashboard which has already been shown to everyone. So the first box contains the list of years where we can select which year for our analysis. The second box contains the value boxes that shows the data, and the second row contains a histogram chart which shows the disbursement of the loan amount as well as mean and the standard deviation. When we select this a different year, for example, where let us exclude the year 2011, then excluding the 2011, the total number of loans is 20,814, and the average amount is this much, and this is the total amount of loan disbursed for that particular for the 4 years. And this is the disbursement, the distribution of the loan amount, and it contains mean value and the standard deviation also we can calculate, and it shows how many counts. The 2500 is the thick one, and the 1500 a little bit the shaded blue. Like this, we can find out this one. If we want only 1 year, then we can remove all the years. For example, for 2011, let us wait because we have selected a different number, so we have to wait. So for the year 2011, we have got 21,721 loans. The average amount is 12,047, and the total sum of the loan amount is 261. Sorry, 261 million and 683,825. This is the way we can select this one. Once it is available, then we can inject more complex into this dashboard. Either we can add some more group checkbox, and we can add some more graph also that we can see in the next display. I am not going to show the code, but how it can be improved into a different screen in the next video. Thanks. I will come out with a second part now. Thank you.